Just going to check of the weather. You feeling any aches and pains today? Well, here's why. It's this area of low pressure, really deep area of low pressure. It's going to get better, but unfortunately, we've got a few hours to go before things begin to settle down. Those winds have been shifting as the front has passed off towards the east. So while it has been cooling down already the last several hours, it's going to continue to get even colder overnight tonight. So cold that what's right now showing up as some areas of patchy drizzle here and there, mostly reported in Delaware and Benton counties. Well, that could transition over into a few sleet pellets, maybe even a few snow flurries before the evening's over with. Not everyone's going to get in on the action. I think most of the precip's probably confined into northwest Arkansas, but some precip nonetheless. Will it bust our drought? No, unfortunately not. Air's pretty dry out there right now, so it's possible not all of this is making it to the ground. Some of it certainly will before the evening's over with. Here's 6 o'clock this evening. Futurecast continues to show a few of these spotty showers around the area. As that low pulls off towards the northeast, winds continue to wrap around the backside, dropping those temperatures, and it will inevitably transition some of those spotty showers over into some snow showers. Maybe you got a little bit of sleet mixing in there at times, and you'll find though that most of this activity is the higher elevations of the Ozarks. Wouldn't rule out entirely a spotty flurry closer to that I-40 corridor, but it really looks like most of this stays up in the mountains. This is 2 o'clock rather overnight, so a lot of it's going to happen while many of us are asleep. Clouds are slowly going to break throughout the course of the day tomorrow. As a result, temperatures by tomorrow morning, now these are actual air temperatures. I'm going to show you the wind chill in a minute, but the actual air temperatures likely right around freezing northwest Arkansas. And that's probably going to be recorded around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So this is why we don't expect any actual accumulation from that burst of snow. I point this out to you to tell you this. If you got plants outside or on the ground already, you might want to cover those up. It's certainly going to get cold overnight tonight. Now, as we're sending the kids out to the bus stop tomorrow morning, this is 7, 8 o'clock. Temperatures, as you just saw, plus the wind, which will die down, but it doesn't go to zero, are going to give us wind chill values as low as the low 20s, northwest Arkansas, low 30s expected in the River Valley. Even by, let's say, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, the warmest part of the day with those winds, it's going to feel like we're in the low to mid 50s most of the day. Let's talk about those winds. 10 o'clock tonight, they're still gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. Slowly but surely overnight, those winds do relax, but by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still sitting with those gusts right around 20 miles an hour. Friday, winds are going to be breezy, but they're going to be out of the south, 20 to 30. That drives our temperatures back up near 70 northwest Arkansas. Saturday's a mostly decent day. I have introduced a slight chance of rain late Saturday night. Really, that's all part of the Sunday system. Still looking at about a 50% chance of some scattered showers, maybe a clap of thunder or two. It looks like by next week, we'll have a ridge of high pressure provide some more quiet weather, at least for a few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And as that ridge of high pressure sits right on top of us, what it'll do to those temperatures, it'll warm us up. In fact, well above normal for a few days. Got some upper 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Darren, you'll see there on the screen tomorrow, that little flower icon. It's the first official day of spring.
Doesn't feel like it.
Gonna have snow flurries tonight. We had 80s yesterday.
Might as well.
Lord have mercy.
That's
We had
right.
the dust this morning. Got the winds. Gosh, we're doing all of the things in a matter of about 48 hours.
I was gonna say. All right.